Well, hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2023 Vauxhall Combo. Now this one here is pretty new. It does come with under 1,000 miles upon the clock. It is a 5-doored small van which has a 6-speed manual transmission, cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, air conditioning, heated wing mirrors, as well as satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Android Auto, and also Apple CarPlay, so you can access those better mapping systems as well. Now we'll just show you the load area. It is ply lined. There is interior lighting within here, which at the moment is turned off, as well as a pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead, which I will just show you from the back. And this does suggest that the previous owner of this van did only use it, well, for a couple of light loads. And if you would like to find out more about this pretty brand new Vauxhall Combo, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It is in the description of this video, or you can check out our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can visit this van, take it for a test drive, and know one day it may be yours.